Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to you, my dear friends. Today I am telling you a new story. This is very amazing and very interesting story. Let's get started. Please pay attention on this story. معاذ طبيب ماهر يحب عمله كثيرا. معاذ طبيب ماهر. Muaz is an expert doctor. طبيب ماهر means expert doctor. Muazun طبيب ماهر. Muaz is an expert doctor. يحب عمله كثيرا. يحب means he loves. عمله means his work. كثيرا means very much. يحب عمله كثيرا. He loves his work very much. كان معاذ منذ صغره يحلم بأن يكبر. كان معاذ منذ صغره يحلم. كان معاذ means Muaz has been dreaming منذ صغره since his childhood. بأن يكبر when he would grow older. ويصبح طبيبا جيدا he would become a good doctor. ويداوي المرضى and he would cure the patient. يداوي means cure. يداوي المرضى he would cure the patient. فاجتهد حتى أصبح طبيبا. فاجتهد ف means so. اجتهد means he strove. اجتهد is a past tense. فاجتهد so he strove. حتى means even. أصبح طبيبا he became a doctor. فاجتهد he strove. حتى even. أصبح طبيبا he became a doctor. ممتازا ممتاز means excellent. ومحبوبا and محبوب means popular. من الجميع means in all. يفحص المرضى. يفحص is a present tense. يفحص means he checks. المرضى means the patients. يفحص المرضى he checks the patient. ويعطي means he provides. الدواء المناسبة appropriate medicine. الدواء means medicine. المناسبة means appropriate medicine. لكل مريض means for every patient. لكل مريض for every patient. يفحص المرضى he examines the patient. and يعطي الدواء المناسبة لكل مريض and he provides appropriate medicine for every patient. I will repeat this story one more time. معاذ طبيب ماهر يحب عمله كثيرا. Muaz is an expert doctor. He loves his work very much. كان معاذ منذ صغره يحلم بأن يكبر. Muaz has been dreaming since his childhood بأن يكبر ويصبح طبيبا جيدا يداوي المرضى. When he grow older, he become a good doctor and he would cure the patient. فاجتهد حتى أصبح طبيبا ممتازا ومحبوبا من الجميع. فاجتهد so he strove. حتى even he become a good, excellent and popular doctor in all. يفحص المرضى. He checks the patient. يعطي الدواء المناسبة لكل مريض. He provides appropriate medicine for every patient. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to write me in comment box. مع السلامة، إلى اللقاء. سبحان الله بحمده، سبحانك اللهم بحمدك، نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك.